Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday, full of handy tips and tricks to help make cake decorating a little bit easier. So this week's top tip is cutting a cake using dental floss instead of a knife. So let's get 2 minutes on the clock and let's go. So first of all, we're going to be using just anything that can give you the level the same way all around the cake, and we're just going to pop in some cocktail sticks that I've already cut in half. Just using the top of this powder pot. Oops. Pop it another one. Pop it another one. Okay. So take your floss, get big enough to go around and cut it off. Now what I try and do is put it so it's all nice even. And then all what you do is pull the floss towards you. Once it gets cutting into the cake, it will be a little bit easier. Literally, that's it done. And then cut it away, and it's a nice even cut. This works great on larger cakes where you don't actually have the right size knife to take it through the other side, so it gives you a nice level cut. So we do the same again on this one. And exactly the same. Just pop them all in there. Now obviously it's like if you have larger cakes or smaller cakes, then you can just mark a bit of paper or card and use that to get your markers in at the right level, so everything's all the same level. And once again, take it in each other hand and then literally pull it together, and once again, nice even cut, nice and flat, and it's the same level. Hopefully we've done that in 2 minutes. As you can see, it's a really easy technique which is great on any size cakes and makes it a nice even flat cut. Hope you've enjoyed this week's top tip. Join us again next time on 2 Minute Tuesday, top tips and tricks to help make cake decorating that little bit easier. I'm Lee for Cake Craft City. See you next time. Bye bye.